The main difference between SCHG and VUG lies in their return performance, with SCHG having a higher return-based performance than VUG, a trend that holds true for both long and short time frames. Specifically, SCHG's year-to-date returns have reached 9.49%, significantly higher than VUG's 8.99%, resulting in a 0.5% disparity between their returns. This gap widens further when return rates are accessed across a longer time frame, with SCHG's annualized returns for the trailing decade being 15.78%, slightly higher than VUG's 14.78% by a margin of 1%. However, VUG yields significantly higher dividends than SCHG, with an average dividend yield of 0.53% of an investor's shares over the past 12 months, compared to SCHG's 0.40%. VUG's dividend rates also outperform those offered by SCHG by a margin of at least 0.05%. when their respective yields for the trailing decade are compared. On the other hand, SCHG has experienced a lower maximum drawdown of -34.59%, compared to VUG's -50.68%, and also recovered from its drawdown more quickly. Despite these differences, both SCHG and VUG have the same expense ratios, resulting in equal service fees for equal investments, and almost identical price fluctuations, with a slight disparity of about 0.04%. Ultimately, while VUG's dividend yield rates are higher, SCHG's general return performances and lower drawdown make it the overall winner, with its slightly lower dividend yield rates being compensatory. It's worth noting that the information compared is accurate as of the current time and is subject to change in the future.